Good morning. Today is 12th of June, Thursday. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. On the weekly chart, price has traded through the high of last week and retraced a bit. Let's look at what happened on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we see this is previous week's high. Here we have some intermediate highs that were formed this week, and this high that followed after CPI that has taken liquidity here and came down afterwards. Price came down afterwards. So if we look in more detail, we have had price creating changing the state of delivery, market structure shift actually here, market structure shift here. So if we would go then on the 15-minute, we would see that after this shift, right, let me delete this previous week's high line. So we have had this market structure shift, then price traded into the low here, right? So whoever was able to take a short here would have played out nicely. Not the greatest risk to reward though, right? Depending on where the short would have been taken. Let's look at what else might happen. So now, in context of this 4-hour, we do have this low here. So before additional move down, price for a larger move down, price should come down to this form a market structure shift, and we could look for displacement all the way down here, right? So that could be a possibility. But if we also look here to how the weekly candle has formed, we have had open, low, high. So the week of the candle was the down week of the candle was quickly formed the beginning of the week. It went high, low, and if this is an OHCL candle, then we had open, low, high, and the candle to close somewhere above its open being 21,800. We could also have the possibility that it's an open, high, low, and if price closes today and tomorrow below its low here, then it will form a bearish candle, right? So let's see. For the London session now, 15-minute chart, we could look at the price to come down into the low here, as I said. But before that, we could see some retracement because this low was taken here. We have some bullish order flow So if we look at this little range here, okay, let me switch to this. So we have this little range here, wherein in discount of this small impulse, liquidity has been taken, bullish order flow created, price retraces into 50% of the range here. So we will either see continuation from here, or we see price coming up into this high here and then going back down, or we could see even price displacing through this, creating new structure and going back up into this area. Right. So let's wait and let's trade what we see price doing. And that's it for this session. As I said, overall kind of neutral today until price will show us until the market will show us its end. Thank you. If you enjoyed this and are looking at this market overview in the mornings, hit that like and share this video with someone that might be interested as well. Bye.